What's up, guys? It's Danny, and I currently have an ear infection. I'm finally able to, sit up without feeling I'm going to like fall over. But both ears are itchy internally, and way deep down, and my balance is kind of out of whack. It was really bad last night. Not so bad right now. I feel well enough to at least finally unbox this. I've had this for 2 months and I never did open it. This is a very expensive controller. First of all, it was like $140, but this is the Xbox Phantom White wireless controller. It's nothing crazy. It's just a really cool color that took off. They actually have this color, then there's like a purple color that fades into like a clear sort of casing where you can see the inside of the controller. It just reminds me of the 90s. A lot of us had the N64 controller, the purple one that was see-through, and some people even had the N64 consoles that were see-through. Unfortunately, I only ever had the black one. But anyway, yeah, I'm pretty excited to see what this looks like in person. I'm going to use this with my Xbox Series S. I'm pretty sure it'll work just fine. So without further ado, I need to find my knife. Here it is. And we're going to cut it open and take a look. So, and yes, this works on Xbox One, PC, and I'm pretty sure it works on Xbox Series S as well. So, yeah. Okay. So, the seal has been cut. And there we go. Let's take it out of the box. Look at that. What a beautiful controller. Look at let me get a close up. Look at that. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? It really is. So it seems like every time I do a headset video or a controller video, first of all, I get a ton of views, which I'm grateful for, but I get questions all over the place. Will this work with my tablet? Will this work with blah blah blah? How about you just Google it? Because every time I say yes or no, then somebody comes in and is like, oh, no, it won't. This guy, he's duping us. Like, one guy commented that I tricked him into buying the MSI controller or something like that. I duped him into buying it because I said it worked with Xbox. Well, it was my mistake. The website says it works with Xbox, and it doesn't. So anyway, that's not what this video is about. But yeah, beautiful controller all the way around. That's the thing about being a content creator, is people will put you under a microscope, and as soon as you say something and their experience is not what you say, you are instantly blamed for it, and it's absolutely stupid. Anyway, yeah, that's really it. You get this and you get a pair of AA batteries. So I actually plan on using this with this, assuming that these work for both Xbox One controllers and Xbox Series S. Let me check the back. They may not. No, it does. Works with, look, right here, before anybody corrects me. Works with Xbox One and Xbox Series S, if the Panasonic will ever focus. There you go. So now you know. So, yeah, I'm not going to open this on camera, but yeah, that's really all this video was about, was this Phantom White controller. And again, in the box, I think everything else is just like the documentation and a pair of AA batteries. So there you go, quick video. Yeah, I'm not gonna make a demonstration playing any games with it. I did that too with the MSI controller video, and somebody judged me for playing Overwatch with a controller, and I can't win. So it is what it is. This is it. Buy this controller if you want, or don't. Doesn't matter to me. If you do want to buy it, it is on Newegg, and last I checked it was like $139. So the color is what makes it expensive. That and the fact that it was a very limited run. And they also have a purple one that fades into translucent as well. So pretty cool. I love Xbox controllers. I think they're really comfortable, and I think that's a beautiful controller. So that being said, thank you all so much for watching. Appreciate the views, and yeah, see you all in the next video. Take care.